Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play American Truck Simulator on PC. First, ensure the game is properly installed on your computer. Take a moment to customize your graphics and control settings to match your preferences and hardware. You can use a keyboard, mouse, or even a steering wheel. Then, select your initial city and pick out your first truck to begin your journey across the United States. Once you are in your truck, familiarize yourself with the driving controls. Master basic steering, acceleration, and braking to navigate the roads safely. Pay close attention to your mirrors and indicators, as they are crucial for lane changes and turns. Spend some time practicing parking and maneuvering your large vehicle. It takes skill to back up a 40-foot trailer. To start earning money, accept quick jobs from various companies. These jobs provide experience points and a steady income, helping you save up. Once you have accumulated around $100,000, you can purchase your very own truck. This allows you to take on higher-paying freight market jobs and begin customizing your rig with new engines or paint. As your business grows, you can hire additional drivers to work for you, increasing your overall income. Purchase new garages in different cities to expand your operational reach and accommodate more trucks. Continue exploring the vast American map, discovering new cities, scenic routes, and challenging deliveries. Your trucking empire awaits your strategic decisions and driving skills.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.